Hello, the Chef George from the Evans Van George Catering Company. Today, let's cook salmon teriyaki in the oven. Ingredients for the salmon teriyaki we have salmon fillets, teriyaki sauce, salt, Old Bay, this is my favorite seasoning for the fish always, and sesame seeds. We start with the teriyaki sauce in the oven tray, and we spread with the brush, silicone brush, or any kind of brush that you have. Very easy. We start to put in the tray the salmon fillets, to start seasoning all of them. When we finish to put the fillet salmon in the tray, we put salt in all of them. Salt for every preparation. And Old Bay. This is my favorite seasoning for the fish. Seasoning all the salmon fillet, we put on top teriyaki sauce, one by one, and with the brush we spread all of them. Very easy. We use the brush for the spread, or teriyaki sauce for the fillets, like this, all of them. Finally, we put sesame seeds, and it's ready for the oven. When we are ready, we put in the oven 350 for 12 minutes. We have the oven preheat before. This is the final result for the salmon teriyaki. We decorate with parsley. I hope that you enjoy. Share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your comments are always very important for us. We made any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.